Hey, hey, hey! How are you people? It's Jennifer Woolsey. We are going to do a quick makeup tutorial this morning and show you mom life, mom makeup, right? So really anybody can wear it, but I'm just a mom in a hurry in the mornings. So I've already gone in this morning and done my skincare regimen, which is my Knox new ultimate replenishing serum for the eyes, the face, and then the day cream. And then I VDL'd with a Satin Veil Primer just to fill in those cracks and crevices and get that skin ready to go. So we're going to use our 24-hour long-acting Cashmere Complexion Foundation in shade Buttercream today. And so I felt like, you know, the world's still kind of in a state of chaos today and nobody really knows what's going on. But either way, we're going to be okay, right? So just a little reminder that it's okay. Let's get up. Hey Google, turn down to 2. Let's get up. Let's put our makeup on and let's keep going, right? You can either choose to give up or you can get up. And we are going to get up today and make it count. So I am going to use my buffing brush. There's a message on there. I'm like, what is that? There's a buffing brush and we're going to use it. Okay. There's options on here I've never seen before. We're going to do our buffing brush and just buff our skin in, or our makeup into our skin. Sometimes I use a beauty blender, which also does a good job. But I have recently started using a blending brush and fell in love with it because it makes those easy morning transitions happen a little bit easier in the mornings. So I am all about quick and easy so I can get out the door. My dog is already barking at me. She's like, Mom, don't forget me. Okay, so let's do something with these eyes. Cashmere Complexion Liquid Foundation. We are going to do, oh, this is not foundation. This is liquid concealer. I don't know why. I feel off this morning. Do you guys feel off this morning? Just seems like, it doesn't matter what happens. We're all going to be okay. This is going to be... We're going to finish out 2020 strong and have an amazing 2021. There we go. Now, I'm just using my ring finger to apply this because you could definitely use a brush, but I like the effect that I get with that ring finger. Already looking amazing. Amazing. Okay. Let's do something with these brows. I'm going to use my Tattoo Station brow pencil in shade brown. Brush up those babies. Because you want to make sure that you line your brows because they are the frame to your face. And you wouldn't put a picture on a wall without a picture frame, would you? Then you're not going to go out without your brows done. I mean, come on. So I'm just kind of making a outline around where I want to fill in, and then I'm just going in gently, filling in. The cool thing about this Tattoo Station brow pencil is it is going to stay with you all day long. It is not one of those that washes off. Like I have to basically remove it. Hi, Adrienne. I have to basically remove it at night. How are you today? Okay. Just filling in. Yes, they may not be twins, but they're sisters. So that's what matters, right? They match. Okay. You could even take the brush part, the spindle part, and kind of brush them up again. There we go. Yes. All right, we're gonna use our Love in Paris eye palette today. Oh, before we do that, let's put a little setting powder on. A little Magix dust to kind of set this all in place and give us, I like a matte finish. You can also use it for a dewy finish, but I am a matte girl. Let me know in the comments, are you a matte girl, or are you a dewy girl or a guy? There we go. All set in place. Okay. Now let's do it. Going with our Love in Paris eye palette. You guys, this palette is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to pick up a smaller brush. I have hooded eyes, so I'm definitely going to go a little bit higher on that crease bone. And I'm going to pick up the chocolates. I'm going to do a little bit of a chocolate look this morning. And once I kind of outline that higher brow, then I'm just working it back and forth and bringing it down. Using the small brush just to give it that effect that I want. Hi, Alex. Okay, again, we're going in with the chocolates. Gonna do the same thing on this side. Went a little heavier there, that's okay. We can use this brush and balance it out. So with hooded eyes, definitely want to make a faux crease. Otherwise it goes, you go around looking like you really don't even have eyeshadow on. And doesn't anybody have time for that business? We need a good eye look. Especially if we're busy, on the go, and got a million things to do during the day. Okay, we're gonna pull some of these mauves now for the cradle part. Just gonna blend it all. And we're gonna mix that in there. Oh, so pretty. Can you see it? So, so pretty. I love these colors all working together, and everybody loves the idea of Love in Paris, right? Okay, now let's take, I'm going to take a more of a stifling brush, and I'm going to take just this lighter color, and I'm going to highlight just right below that arch, just to give it a little bit of added highlight there. Yes, yes, girl. Yes. Okay, we are winning. Let's do a liquid liner and line these eyes. So do you love a bold look, or are you more of a subtle look kind of person? Something in my eyes. Okay. They're already starting to pop. Can you see it? All right, let's curl these lashes and we'll add some Love mascara on. They have these, it has these heart-shaped fibers that's just going to melt into those lashes and help give them volume and explosion. Love this mascara. It also has some healing properties with vitamin E oil and I can't remember the other one. There's another vitamin in it that actually helps for regrowth of your lashes. And the lash explosion is amazing. Every woman feels more confident when they have beautiful lashes. Even if you never put a stitch of makeup on. If you just did the lashes. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. A mama on a mission. Queen Carnation, we're going to use our Love Cushion Blush. And we're just going to blush those cheeks. Give them a little pop of color. Yes, girl. You are slaying today. We're going to finish off with Respect Lip Mattitude. And we have a finished quick makeup tutorial that's simple and anybody can do. I hope that these tips are helpful for you today and that you use these to help you get a quick morning routine to feel on top of your game before you head out. So have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching and I will see you all later. Bye guys.